5 online businesses. You can start as a teen in 2025. Are you a teen? Or just someone looking for your first side hustle that actually makes sense in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. You don't need a degree, you don't need a job interview, and you definitely don't need permission. In today's digital world, you can start building an online business from your room, with just Wi-Fi and a little hustle. So here are 5 online businesses you can start as a teen in 2025. No experience, no college, no excuses. 1. Local digital marketing agency for small businesses. Most small businesses still don't understand TikTok, Instagram, or how to rank on Google. You can offer simple services like setting up Google business profiles, running Instagram or TikTok pages, managing reviews or running ads, how to get good at it, watch YouTube tutorials on local marketing, or take beginner courses on Skillshare or Coursera. Then message local businesses, offer to help free for 7 days, get results, and start charging. 2. Discord community management. Gaming servers, brand communities, and online fandoms all need help staying active and organized. You can get paid to welcome new members, keep the chat alive, run events, moderate conversations, how to get good at it. Start by volunteering in a small community. Learn how mods run things. Once you've got experience, pitch yourself to bigger servers with proof and professionalism. 3. Social media theme page. Plus monetization, pick a niche, and post every day. Examples: study tips, motivation, book quotes, gaming edits, grow the account and monetize with shoutouts, affiliate links, digital product sales, how to get good at it. Use trending audio, post consistently, and study what viral pages are doing in your niche. You don't need to go viral, you just need to keep showing up. 4. Freelance Minecraft or Roblox design services. If you're already playing games like Minecraft or Roblox, turn that skill into cash. People pay for custom maps, skins, and avatars. Game item design, server builds how to get good at it. Practice by building your own portfolio. Then sell on Fiverr, MC Market, or Roblox Dev Forum. 5. Online reselling, digital flipping. Start flipping digital or physical items. Ideas: resell usernames, domain names, or TikTok pages. Flip game items in markets that allow it. Buy and resell trending merch, limited drops, or collectibles. How to get good at it. Follow drops on Discord, Reddit, and TikTok. Start small, test different markets, and track everything. You don't have to wait to turn your time and creativity into money, you just have to start. Drop a comment. Which one of these would you start first? And if you're serious about building income and freedom from anywhere, like this video, subscribe to The Wealth Loop, and turn on the bell. We've got more faceless hustles, smart money moves, and digital skills on the way. See you in the next one.